Hi, this is Pallavi Goyal reporting live from the Economic Times Energy Leadership Summit 2024. I'm joined by Mr. Inder Bhamra, CBO Envision Energy India. So, thank you so much for joining us. You have a very interesting panel coming up on renewable energy, focusing on infrastructure and supply chain. How are you looking forward to the conversation?
Thank you for having me. I'm really looking forward to that panel. And I think you've got the right speakers there and the right subject. I think, the technology is the way it's evolving. It's very important for us to have all pieces in place to make the most advanced wind turbines as well as storage solutions that we have for the Indian market. And we need to get in place the entire supply chain for that.
So, speaking of technology, in India's energy transition journey, personally for you, what is that one big trend you are excited about?
Well, I think the most exciting part is that not only are we looking at the wind and solar and storage piece, there is this the new energy systems which goes well beyond this, and which includes production of green gases. It has advanced energy storage solutions. The people also talking about smaller nuclear reactors because there is something to replace thermal on the base load side. So I think these are very exciting areas that the industry is heading towards, and also I see a very clear trend of having AI and machine learning and digital twinning being used for the existing assets of wind and solar, and also in the new additions that are expected in the near future.
So one final question on RE100. It is really, one big theme the entire industry and companies are focusing on. In one word or one phrase, how would you define that?
I think that's really the need of the hour, because let's be realistic. We for the mankind to survive, it's essential that we get there as early as possible.
Excellent. Thank you so much for joining us, sir, and looking forward to the panel.
Pleasure. Thank you.
Stay tuned for more such insightful conversations at ET Energy World.